Good morning, traders. So we are currently in this micro gold futures trade. We are currently in drawdown minus 60. Oh, we are in profit now, back in drawdown. Anyways, we are in this trade right now. So stay tuned. Hopefully, we should hit TP very soon. And I'll give you a full breakdown of this trade. So see y'all in a few. All right. So we are currently in profit. The trade is looking good so far. So we are going to let it play out, see how it goes. Hopefully, we are going to hit TP soon, and I am going to give you a full breakdown of this trade. But in the meantime, make sure you subscribe and leave a like, and I'll give you the full breakdown in a few. So stay tuned. All right, so we are about to hit TP right now, hopefully. So in the meantime, I am going to give you the breakdown of the reason why I took this trade. So hope we hit TP. That's a nice, cool amount of money on a nice Monday. But yeah, so let me give you the full breakdown of this trade. So first of all, I want you to look at this before I even took the trade, and I want you to keep it 100 with yourself. Be honest. Most of traders don't even know what the the direction of the market is right now. People say, "Oh, right now is going sideways." They wouldn't know right away, right? That's because you don't have like a strategy. Before having a strategy, you should be able to tell where the market is going. So yeah, I mean, if you don't have like the basics and you don't know where the market is going, it doesn't matter if you think you have a strategy, you are not going to be profitable. But anyways, to me, on the 5 minute time frame, I don't need to do top down analysis. I can see that the market is going bullish. The market is bullish. The reason why, I'll tell you right now. So the market is going sideways or whatever. Here you see a clear break of structure right here, a clear one, at least clear to me because I know how to trade and my strategy that I teach my students, so they'll be able to see the same thing as me. But you see a clear break of structure, right? The market, I know it's hard if you don't have the knowledge, but the market actually pulled back here, right here. So we can see there's a zone of resistance that became a zone of support. And the market bump, which is right here, this is a zone of resistance that became a support. And the market bounced again, broke structure again here, went up. So that was clear as day that the market was bullish at this moment, right? So I waited until the market came back in that zone of support to hit a confluence. Now I have a zone of resistance, I mean, a zone of support. I have a double bottom, and I know the market is going up. So I just enter and wait and let the market do its thing. And that's about it. But yeah, I mean, I know it's not obvious because, of course, you need the knowledge. And that's the reason why it's important to have a solid strategy and learn from somebody that has knowledge on the market and not try to guess and figure things out on yourself because you will not become profitable if you do it that way. I guarantee you. I've been there, I've tried it. And yeah, I mean, it is what it is. So we enter here, we let the market do its thing, and we hit our TP. So pretty smooth trade. So yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.